Welcome to IQ Quiz.
15 geography questions. Each one is multiple choice. Keep score as you go. Ready? How many continents are there? The answer is C. 7. The continents are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, and Australia, which is traditionally called the world's longest river. The answer is B. Nile. The Nile is long and historic. Some modern studies claim the Amazon is slightly longer. Scientists still debate the exact measurements. Which mountain is the highest above sea level? The answer is D. Mount Everest. The summit is 48.86 meters above sea level. What is the largest ocean on Earth? The answer is C. Pacific. It covers more area than all the land on Earth combined. Which country has the largest land area? The answer is D. Russia. It spans across Eastern Europe and Northern Asia and is the world's biggest country by area. Which country has the largest population? The answer is B. China. It has the highest population, though India is very close and may surpass it depending on timing. What is the capital city of Australia? The answer is D. Canberra. The capital was chosen as a compromise location between Sydney and Melbourne. Which is the world's largest island? The answer is C. Greenland. It is huge and mostly covered by ice. Which country has the most time zones when counting overseas territories? The answer is D. France. Including overseas territories, France has many time zones across the globe. Which is the smallest country by land area? The answer is D. France. Including overseas territories, France has many time zones across the globe. Which is the largest hot desert on Earth? The answer is B. Sahara. It is the largest hot desert. But if you include cold deserts, Antarctica is the largest desert overall. Which country has the longest coastline? The answer is A. Canada. Canada's many bays and islands give it the longest coastline in the world. Which U.S. state is largest by area? The answer is D. Alaska. It is far larger than Texas and sits to the northwest of Canada. Which country is considered transcontinental, lying in both Europe and Asia? The answer is C. Turkey. Its land is both in Europe and Asia, with Istanbul straddling the Bosphorus. Which country had the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites as of recent counts? The answer is C. Italy. Italy often has the highest number of UNESCO sites, but these counts can shift as new sites are added. Count your correct answers now. Tell us your score in the comments and say which question surprised you. If you like this, hit subscribe and ring the bell. We post new quizzes every week. Flags, logos, music, and more. Share this with a friend and see who knows the world better.